Entropy Outdoors, hunting, fishing, and loving every day. Join us today while we try and figure out who shot the goose. We got out for a quick Saturday morning. It wasn't awesome, but we got a couple.
I was on a bad angle. I'll go get him. Are there any more coming? Got him? Yeah, I got one down. Wasn't me.
So all four of us said we didn't shoot it. Maybe it just fell.
But shoot it when you can, right?
If you liked this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. It does a world for the channel. Have a great day.